get low when the whistle goes.
Need some sleep. You can't go on like this. Lumos Maxima.
Okay, and to the left, and as you can see, Jacob de Grom's also here.
Jousers!
I don't know how I'm gonna explain to my lady bits what happened. We was all such good friends when we were doing the planning. Evan gave my lady bits 2 sugar lumps.
Is Lady Bits your horse?
Yes.
Thank God.
Miss Lady Bits. That's the nickname my granddaddy gave her long ago.
Your granddaddy was a vulgar man.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. He always used to laugh whenever he said the name, but I never thought much of it at the time.
You got to be careful feeding Lady Bits sugar lumps as well.
She could get attached. She gets attached real quickly. Now I'm gonna have to explain to her that her new friend Evan isn't gonna be feeding her sugar lumps
And
no
so
more.
Evan spends a lot of time around your Lady Bits?
He has in the past 24 hours. Yes.
Does he ever pet your Lady Bits?
I think I saw him petting her.
But look at her eyes, and it's the way she's looking at the camera that's just, she just loves being sexy.
Alright, I'm going to show you something my grandma taught me, alright? So you take Pepsi and you're pouring it over ice straight out the freezer. Look, that's what happens. Yep, it just fizzes up like nobody's business. But if you take ice, pour water over it, and cut the water off, you pour the water over it, and then you take the Pepsi and you pour it on it. So look at that. Okay, it's the goddamn same. Never mind. Fuck grandma.
Answer the door. Jehovah's Witnesses, but listen. No, not your regular Jehovah's Witnesses. Jamaican Jehovah's Witnesses. And look at this. Them have it in patois. On a really control. Who really control this here world here? On a thing say a God, man, or somebody else. Patois make me a dead. This is what the Bible say. The devil control the whole world. God boy pick me come in the world. Fi mash up the devil walk. If I laugh a boss. But a true thing though. But I would have the white man there.
She's getting it. Breathalyzer. I want to know what they're listening to.
I would have to agree.
Ew.
This guy.
buy a musket.
A musket?
That's kind of cool.
What says I'm a man more than buying a fucking musket?
A deer head.
Oh, okay.
So we were all drinking last night for my sister's birthday. I see this and I'm cleaning up. I just woke up myself, major hangover. And I'm like, no way someone ate the Dove bar. I heard of Dove chocolate, never heard of a Dove soap bar. And I'm like, I need to start drinking water. My mouth has been crazy dry. I pull out a water. First sip I take. Just disgusting. I don't know if I thought I had like food poisoning, but bro, my mouth tastes like soap when I drink water again. I could. What?
Hello. Hey, how are you? Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm a volunteer of the Democratic Party. Hey. I'm going around hoping to make sure that everybody votes. If I could, I would. Oh, you don't want to vote, or no, are you Canadian? But thank you. You can vote. Just because you're gay doesn't make any difference. I'm Canadian. Oh, Canadian. Jeez, I'm sorry. I thought that was a joke. I'm like, wait a minute. Well, it actually.
It looks like a green screen behind you. It's so fucking weird.
Why does everyone look?
You look like a streamer.
No green screen. Real hands.
You look like a streamer. That wasn't my question.
Like a streamer? Yes. Oh my god! Just because I have a cool microphone.
Yeah. Are you?
What if I tell you? It's not a microphone.
I'm sorry.
Okay, here I have a bull that's posturing up against me. Now he wants to fight me. He's thinking, I'm gonna fucking get ya. But here is how you deal with an aggressive bull, okay? So you just want to walk up to him, so he's posturing up. He's gonna kill me in a minute, so what you want to do is just want to give them a fucking... And that'll fucking sort him out. If you're even in danger, just remember.
Recognize this puss.
Never seen that chick before in my life, or afterlife.
I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for.
I think I blend in like this.
Yeah.
I'm a boat, guys.
A pizza boat. Oh shit! There's somebody that just.
I'm a pizza boat. Why? How the hell am I getting away with this?
How have I been spotted before you?
How am I getting away with this? I'm a ban.
No, the funny thing is, he actually looked at you.
How the hell am I getting away with this?
This is madness.
There's no way.
Oh my god. Right. So we was big and large, yeah? I was the smallest object. You're the biggest object. I can't comprehend.
That person just looked straight at me there. Oh my god.
I was dying laughing at this the other day, but apparently the final battle of the Aztecs against the Spanish, they knew they were going to lose, and they were like, we have to use our secret weapon to beat the Spanish. And it was them summoning the owl god. And they didn't want to do it. They were like, if we summon the owl god, he will destroy the enemy and ourselves. It was like using a nuke on the battlefield. It was their ultimate weapon. All the owl god was a guy that they dressed up like an owl, and they gave him a bunch of drugs, and they threw him out in the battlefield. And there are Spanish reports of Spaniards being like, yeah, there's a guy on the rooftops in the city that's dressed up like an owl shooting darts at everybody. So we killed him. And that's it. That's the end of the Aztec Empire.
Alexa, spiel Ich bin ein Gummibär.
No.
Gummibär von Spotify.
Alter, grün, halt bitte einfach deine Fresse. Junge, du gehst überall alleine hin, hilfst deinem ganzen Team nicht und dann regst du dich auf, wenn wir nicht beide sind. Sorry.
Come on, what?
And he doesn't get him. Strip me naked, oil me up and slap my ass. What just happened? I can't. Warum ist es immer grün? Kannst du bitte einfach deine Fresse halten? Halt einfach deine Fresse! Hör auf, so rumzuheulen! Als würde es irgendjemanden jucken, dass du dein scheiß Premiermatch verlierst, Junge! Es ist nicht ernst! Es ist ein scheiß Spiel! Oh yeah! Ich bin ein Gummibär!
Wait, how old are you?
Wait. Guess.
36.
What?
It's a guess.
That was so far off! That wasn't even like close!
Yoda!
Like normally when people play that game, they're like, oh, they guess like a little bit younger. Was that the little bit younger guess?
Yeah, are you like 39? Aren't you? So was I right?
You always work to lift out
No! I'm not in my 30s.
Oh, really?
I'm in my 40s.
Oh, I knew it! I was just being nice.
No, I'm not in my 40s! What do you mean I knew it? I'm 28! What the fuck?
Oh, god damn, you're old! What?
Yo, Ali, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
What's up? Yo.
Not much. What?
Wait, I gotta say something.
Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why? Stop!
No one's gonna believe you.
What the fuck just happened? Guys, no, listen.
What did you do? What did you do?
Stop, listen to me.
What the fuck did you just say?
Stop, listen. He goes, Allie, I have to tell you a secret.
You killed
and
my boy!
Stop.
You
He starts jumping and he goes, no one's gonna believe you. I promise.
I don't fucking believe you.
66. I promise.
I don't believe
I'm
you.
doing...
Thanks.
How much to shave your head bald?
No way it's real, Mr. Beast. I'll never shave my hair. Like, $1 million. 100,000.
Mr. Beast! You won $100,000! Mr. Beast! Thank you very much, Mr. Beast! Chad, what are you writing, Zimbabwe dollar? What the fuck is Zimbabwe dollar? What the fuck is Zimbabwe dollar?
Alright guys, I got A, don't worry. Good luck.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
God damn.
Okay,
Alright, I got A.
What the
See ya, suckers.
Bye.
Say the word.
No, it's
No.
good. God will handle it.
We need more light. We'll take care of that.
And God has acted. Like, my frames feel really low. I don't know what's going on with my PC right now. Something might be running that's not supposed to, but fuck it, we'll roll with it. Doesn't matter, right? I'm here to snipe some pilots, okay? Like the old days. Boom, first shot. Right. Alright. That's next level.
Next level, next level.
No, it's next
Did
level.
you got it? Oh.
Wow, that was next level.
That's actually pretty good play.
What else you got for us? What else? Shoot through that wall.
I hate to be that guy, but watching you play this game hurts too much. When things are pushing together, they are strong. When they are pulling apart, they are weak. You want compression, because it lets the material take more strain.
Oh my god, it's already... Fuck you, engineer! Look, it's working, you're molding, you're getting mad now. Ooh, this guy who knows nothing...
Look, there's a fucking truck in it. There's a fucking truck. It just flipped over. It's spinning on its side. Landed on its fucking wheels. And it drove the fuck off. That's the best Chevrolet commercial ever. Oh my god, like a fucking rock. Oh my god.
I'm flying. Yes, it's Divine, starring as the boy who wouldn't grow up.
I won't grow up.
I won't go up.
I don't want to go to school.
I don't want to go to school.
I am flying.
It's Peter Pan, live at the Mellonville War Memorial Auditorium, August 4th through August 9th.
I haven't tested it yet, but it should be perfectly safe.
This is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more. No.
The only reason you're still alive is that I find your stupidity mildly amusing.
Well, thank you.
Anyone got cats? Yeah. Whoa. What's your cat called?
Celeste.
Celeste. That's a beautiful name. We call our cat Socks because we had two but lost one in the washing machine. See, nice light-hearted animal humour just to balance it out. Chuckle in, yeah, that's good. That's obviously a joke. We called it Socks because I used to masturbate into it. And now look. Oh, see, that's the one you liked. That's what you wanted.
Сука, Виталик, блядь, ты все испортил, ублюдок, блядь, я тебя после телефона.
Oh shit. No, yeah.
Yeah, get on the bike. Come on.
I'm good.
Alright.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Alcohol, liquor, booze.
que jamás podrá olvidarme a mí. El señor de la noche, soy mitad hombre, mitad.
Итак, у нас в работе ступица от автомобиля ГАЗ-66, на которой нужно заменить колесные шпильки. Шпильки М20, гайки под ключ на 30, законтрены кернением. Соответственно, если мы просто возьмем обычный ключ и попытаемся их открутить, ни черта у нас не получится. Ступица проворачивается даже в тисках. Нужен инструмент с потенциальным ударом. Ступиц у меня таких еще целых 7 штук в работе. Поэтому специально для этого я купил вот такой вот импульсный ключик на 30 на одном известном китайском сайте. Только вот никак не пойму, как этот ключик работает. Вроде бы что-то жужжит, а все равно ни черта не откручивает. Вот это вот вообще непонятно зачем.
去高级货无线充电这个，怎么没效果呀？
中间这个有标识的，
咋还没效果呀？这个
不是这肯定这个呀？
绝对这个没错不了。
Ouais, mec, tu veux du pain? Vas-y, envoie. Merci. C'est quoi ça? Kippe nochmal. 3. Perfekt. 1, 2, 3. Mensch, ärger dich nicht, ja?
If you're looking for trouble, you came to the right place. If you're looking for trouble, just look right in my face. I was born standing up and talking back. My daddy was a green-eyed mountain jack because I'm evil. My
Con el sabor de la cumbia, cumbia calle, cumbia calle.
Oh my gosh, dude, when was the last time you changed these tires? You know you're supposed to change these every 10 years.
Do you need help?
Please, baby, please help.
Oh my God, man!
Jake cut the same tree down twice, and it's still fucking.
Wenn die Reizgasanlage mit ihrem eigenen Bewegungsmelder eine Bewegung erkennt, erst da wird Gas freigesetzt. Und jetzt kann ich hier auch einen Alarm simulieren und Sie werden hören, wie die akustische Warnung klingt.
Verlassen Sie sofort den gesicherten Bereich, sonst wird Gas freigesetzt.
How's the lane roller? There's too many of them. What are we gonna do?
Strike!
Look at the riff.
Helikopter. Es ist ein Black Hawk, Entschuldigung, und 3 Piloten oder
True. Oh no! I'm the Shadow Man. I sneak and I creep. I'm the Shadow Man. I'll eat all your apples. I'm the Shadow Man. I'll steal your poop. I'm the Shadow Man. Look at my fingers. I'm the Shadow Man. I'm going to plunge the world into darkness. There he is, kids! The Shadow Man! Be careful, or he'll steal your poop and show you his fingers!
Look at my fingers.
No!
I'm going to plunge the world into darkness.
No, you won't. Oxros will protect us. We shine a light upon you.
Ah. 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 Ah, the light. Ah. Ah, the light. Ah. 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 Oh, burn. Ah, the light. Ah. 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 Ah.
Oh my God!
something off my chest. I'm the one who broke the porch light when I was 11.
I knew it.
You broke the light?
I knew it.
I got blamed. I have glass in my foot still from that light. This is what happens when you try to do the right thing, which is why I came prepared.
And for what?
Nikki has a tattoo she's been hiding from mom and dad for over a year.
Oh, he's lying.
Linda dropped out of grad school 2 months ago and hasn't told anyone. Oh, grad school dropout! Dad's been cheating on the diet you guys started. He took me to Little Bitties last night.
Oh, you cheated on his diet!
Pierre actually isn't allergic to your spaghetti sauce. He just doesn't want to eat it. He likes Uncle Giuseppe's better.
That's not
Mom set up monthly payments from Dad's bank account to pay her beauty treatments.
Oh,
auto pay scandal!
You don't like my sauce?
Wait, you worry about sauce? This one over here's got a tattoo.
No, you don't.
This one over here quit school. You worry about me eating a slice of pizza?
Happy Easter. I feel a lot better.
I lost a little bit of weight, and now as a result, like my armpit, it goes in more, right? Which means when I just... What is that? Happens at random times, you guys. Like, not just what I mean to do, I just like, what the fuck? Ow! There's like a pocket. And if I move it sideways too quickly, then it sounds like a fart. And it just happens.
These are all fake tweets. Bend over. Now look at the next one. CNN's throwing out fake Twitter name. Mike Coxlong. This is CNN. You think that they'd have someone screening this shit. Who's this one? I need a black man.
sol re do do 2 do do la la fa la。
Do you need a graphite block? Are you looking for a graphite block? Did you buy the graphite block? Back in my... You show the lights won't stop me. Turn to stone. You shine me when I'm alone. And so I tell myself that I'll be strong. Dreaming when the...
Do I like man? Man is a hopeless creature. I don't like much of anyone. Ah, if you meant sexually, then yes.
Welcome back to the Broken Juggler Show. Oh, we've got a good challenge today. Can I do a hoodie? A Big Bird. I thought you were so friendly on Sesame Street. I didn't know it was Challenge Street, Big Bird. But first, we've got to do the Nicolas Cage basket. There's the basket behind me. There goes Nicolas Cage. Oh, he's in. He's in. All right, it's time for the challenge. Let me warm up my body. I might have to cut. The only thing we have to do is go from here. But let's see what we can do. All right, get ready. I got to get this going. A good spin. Okay, take the glasses off. Take the glasses off. Warm up a little bit. Okay, hoodie. Get that hoodie on. Here we go. Here is the hoodie. We've got to get the hoodie on. Hoodie is on. Take a quick break like that. Okay. Now I got to do one armhole, one armhole. Here we go. Armhole number 1. All right. Armhole number 1. Okay, get ready. We got to do armhole number 2. Armhole number 2. All right, here we go. Armhole number 2 complete. Look a little bit more presentable. Well, Big Bird, I think you're gonna have to eat a little crow because I just completed the hoodie challenge. There it is. Thanks, everybody. Goodbye.